Hello, good morning. In the previous class, we had understood the concept TS diagram. What is the TS diagram? The thermodynamic state of the substance represented along the x-axis and y-axis. So, in that case, represented by plotting entropy along the horizontal axis and the temperature along the perpendicular axis. So that type of diagram is called the TS diagram, and working of TS diagram which we already shown in the last type, that is we are calculating here Q1 minus Q2 is equals to T1 minus T2 and S2 minus S1. So this is the expression for the working of Carnot cycle using the TS diagram. So this Q1 minus Q2 represent the external work done, and this second equation represent the area of rectangle. So therefore, thus the area of the rectangle on the TS diagram, that is this area of rectangle on the TS diagram, represent the external work done on the substances, external work done on the in the reversible Carnot cycle. So in this class we are calculating the efficiency of cycle. Which one? Carnot engine or cycle. So using TS diagram, we can write efficiency neta is equals to, we have the formula for the efficiency, that is the external work done in one cycle, external work done in one cycle divided by heat absorbed. Okay, heat absorbed from where? From the source. Okay, heat absorbed from the source. So this is the external work done. We write here external work, that is the Q1 minus Q2, and heat absorbed here we are taking Q1 is the heat absorbed from the source at temperature T1. So therefore here the Q1. So put this value of Q1 minus Q2, that is the T1 minus T2 into S2 minus S1 divided by value of Q1. Value of Q1 is equals to T1 S2 minus S1, already calculated in the previous class, that is T1 S2 minus S1. So this S2 minus S1 cancel with each other, we get T1 minus T2 divided by T1 is equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. So this is the efficiency of Carnot heat engine by using the TS diagram. So this is the working of TS diagram and the efficiency of the TS diagram. So in the next topic is the importance of TS diagram. So what is the importance of TS diagram and how the TS diagram can be used in our science. So first important use of the TS diagram is the TS diagram, also known as a taphigram. This TS diagram is also known as a taphigram, and it is extremely used in the metrology. First is the importance of TS diagram. So first use is the TS diagram is a taphigram, and extensively used extensively used in metrology. So the TS diagram is a taphigram. So taphigram, what is the meaning of taphigram? So taphigram is the thermodynamic diagram commonly used in the weather analysis and the forecasting and metrology. It is extensively used in the metrology. Metrology is a scientific study on the atmosphere and it focuses on the weather processes and the forecasting. So that is called the metrology. So therefore the TS diagram is also known as the taphigram. So TS diagram is also known as a taphigram and is extensively used in the weather forecasting and the analysis, that is the metrology. So the second important use is the TS diagram helps us to very easily calculate the work done per cycle. So by using the formula, that is the Q1 minus Q2 is equals to T1 minus T2 S2 minus S1. By using this formula, or external work done is equals to area of the rectangular ABCD or the cycle. So by using this expression, we can easily calculate the work done per cycle, because the TS diagram is a rectangle. That is why it is used by the auto engineers to study the working efficiency of the engines. TS diagram. The TS diagram helps us to very easily to calculate work done per cycle, because TS diagram is a rectangle. Because TS diagram is a rectangle, this is why it is used by auto engineers. It is used by auto engineers to study the working efficiency of of the engine. Okay, so this is the second importance of the TS diagram, that is TS diagram helps us to very easily to calculate the work done per cycle, because the TS diagram is a rectangle, ABCD rectangle. So this is why it is used by the auto engineers to study the working efficiency of the engine. The next and last use is the TS diagram for a cycle can be used to check the efficient working of actual engine. Third is the TS diagram. The TS diagram for a cycle can be used to check the efficient working of actual engine. Okay, so this is the third and last use of the TS diagram. The TS diagram for a cycle can be used to check the efficient working of the actual engines. So these are the importance of TS diagram. There are three importance which I know. TS diagram importance. So in the next class we will see the thermodynamic scale of temperature, that is the Kelvin's thermodynamic scale of temperature. This is one of the most important topic in this unit. So see you in the next class.